Hey y'all, hey. Hi guys. What's going on, y'all? Listen, I just jumped on to let y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to do a clip-in set on my fine natural hair. Now, here's the thing. You know it'd be a thing, okay? Now, these are from HerGivenHair. Let me make sure I say the name of these clip-ins correctly. They talking that no leave-out talk, and you know, when folk get to talking that no leave-out, I be like,
where is that?
I be wanting to know where it is. These are their invisible root bye-bye leave-out clip-ins. Okay, did y'all catch that? Okay, put on and go. No need to buy lace closure and no need for a leave out. I have the 16-inch Coily bye-bye leave out clip-ins, and when people start talking about no leave out, I gotta test it out because a lot of companies have said no leave out and you need a leave out. It's just, it is what it is, and the style could still end up being cute, but you just gotta tell the truth, shame the devil. Don't say no leave out required if you need a leave out like a mug. That's all I'm saying. This is how they coming at it. They said bye-bye leave out. We're gonna see if we can say bye to the leave out or if we need to say
hello. Is it me you're looking for?
With a whole leave out. I don't know. Now, you already know what it is. I've done enough HerGivenHair for you to know. Very high quality human hair products that specialize in textured hair. So curly, kinky straight, coily, all the things. Okay, all of the things, right? So let me just take a look at these clip-ins real quick. Oh, hold a minute. This bundle is quite thick. So these weft clips look pretty standard. Bam. You see that? Okay, this is a 5 clip right here. Hold a minute now. Oh, listen, it's another bag. Here are the bye-bye leave-out clip-ins right here. Because I was looking through that bundle and I said, oh my gosh.
Baby, these not finna be no leave.
Uh-oh. And y'all know I'm gonna get on here and tell y'all the truth too. Dang, that's rough. I try to make a nice little style, but I promise you it's gonna be some leave-out. Here they go right here. Bye-bye leave-out closure clips. Now let me show y'all. Ooh, Chad. Now we talking. Ooh, wait. Baby, we was finna have a time. We still gonna have a time. Oh yeah, this is giving root. That's giving roots. These clips right here is what you put at the top to make the style pop. Huh? Oh, there it is. Let me show you the difference. That's the standard. You can clearly see the weft right there. It's thick too. Thick and ignorant. It's thick. The bye-bye leave-out clip. You see the difference? Huh? One of these things is not like the other. I have a really, hold a minute. I have a very old braid pattern up under here. So when I swipe this off, I don't need y'all talking about me. Just know this braid pattern is real old. I was doing crochet sets on this, okay? But I'm just finna style it. And y'all, I'm not gonna leave any leave out. So we about to see how it's gonna hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Of course, I'm gonna wet it down. Oh, wet it down. Okay. So we're gonna pop those curls. I think I'm gonna use my pattern mousse on this one. Yeah. Cause that pattern mousse goes hard on my real good and ignorant wigs and clips and stuff. I don't use them on my play synthetic. Oh no. So yeah, this is a great time to use that. And let's see if it is truly no leave out. We about to test it out. How y'all think it's gonna go? We about to see. Let's see if this is truly no leave out or if a leave out is required. Let's see. Hold a minute.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo.